Now we're going to solve rational inequalities. The steps for this are the exact same as the steps for solving rational equations. This time we just have a different sign in between. In number 1, we have 2 minus 3 over v less than 5 over v. We have two fractions that have the exact same denominator. This 2 does not have a denominator of v, so I'm going to multiply the top and bottom. I'm going to multiply it by v over v. So now I have 2v over v minus 3 over v less than 5 over v. Since all of our denominators are the same, we can just focus on the numerators. 2v minus 3 is less than 5. Adding 3 to both sides, 2v is less than 8. And dividing by 2, v is less than 4. So if we were to look at this on a graph, maybe here's 0 and here's 4. Since it's strictly less than, not less than or equal to, we have an open circle at 4, and we want everything that is smaller than that value because we're getting less than 4. As an interval, our arrow is pointing to the left, so we're starting at negative infinity, and then we get up to 4. It's an open circle, so we're using parentheses. Now we have 1 over w plus 2 plus 1 over w minus 2 greater than or equal to 4 over w minus 2, or w squared minus 4. I'm going to factor the denominator on the right just to see what the ones on the left are missing. So w squared minus 4, the factors of that are w plus 2 and w minus 2. That means this first fraction is missing the w minus 2. The second fraction is missing the w plus 2. So I can rewrite this as multiplying the first one by w minus 2 over w minus 2. Multiplying the second one by w plus 2 over w plus 2. And that's greater than or equal to, and I didn't need to change anything on the left. I'm just going to write it in factored form. Don't know why I chose to write x. Should be w minus 2 w plus 2. All the denominators are the same, so we can just focus on the numerator. W minus 2 plus w plus 2 is greater than or equal to 4. W plus w is 2w. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0, greater than or equal to 4. Dividing by 2, w is greater than or equal to 2. Here's 0, here's 2. This one's greater than or equal to, so we've got a filled in circle. And it's increasing because it's greater than or equal to. As an interval, the smallest that this is at 2. It gets a bracket because it's a filled in circle. And the arrow is pointing to the right forever, so we're going towards positive infinity.